Yo you guys, it's Vedger here, and since I got asked quite a bit about these stoppers for the Thomas Sabo Bead Bracelet, I thought I would show that. It is like the skulls which are stacked on each other, on top of each other, and this is actually to prevent your beads from falling when you open up your bracelet. And the little rubber piece, the black one you see here in the center, is what keeps it from moving on your bracelet, so you can actually like make everything stay at certain areas. I will show that here. So you throw that on, push it through, and then you actually have to push because it's not going to move by itself. It's holding on, and then you just choose the point where you want it to be and then just leave it there. There's some movement, but like you see, it's stopping everything here quite well. If you pull harder, definitely it will move, but it makes sense to just prevent your beads from getting lost when your bracelet might open or something. And it looks cool, at least this model. So, until next one, take care you guys, bye bye.